In today's tutorial today, I want to walk you through how you can design this social media flyer in Photoshop. Before we dive into our new file, this is the resources file that I want to use in this particular project. So let's head into our home. So let's create a new file. So in this particular, I want to use 4 by 5 inches. Let's name our project. And 300 resolution, RGB color, all settings like this, and let's create our project. Next step in this one is let's head into our, after you create a new layout, so I will head into our gradients, change this color code. No, okay, this is the color code that I use in this. You can see this is the color code that I use in this. You just see this F2, D2, FE. You click OK. So you head into our gradient tools. This is our gradient tools. You click on this guy. You click on the basic. Click on the middle, which is you just click the outside here like this. You just drag it down like this. Which is fine for me. You click here like this. The next step is to head into our resources file. I'll bring this pattern background. So I'll click OK again. I'll ensure that it's really set it on the layouts. So the next thing to do there is head into my opacity. I'll reduce it to 21. So I'll reduce it to 21. I'll create a new layer beside the pattern background. I'll head into my brush. You can see this. I will let my hardness should be 0. I'll click on the soft one. I'll just click outside. I'll off my cap lock. You can see it. So I'll just clean this part like this. Clean this part. So I can clean this part as well. So the next thing in this particular one is to write the text, which is I'll click on the text here like this. So I will change this color. I will change it to this color code 6X018F. So I'll click OK. So I will just write my text. I'll just make it bold like this. I'll make it bold. So I'll head into my character. So I will just make it bold. And we can use like black, which is or let's use an extra bold, which is good for me. So the next step is to go back to my text again. I'll click here. I'll click on the interface like this. So I'll just head into my. So I'll copy this particular text. So I'll copy it. So I will just paste it, which is I'll press Ctrl V to paste. So I'll press Ctrl A to highlight everything. So I can use it to 8. I think 14 is okay. I will change the text format. I'll change it to semi-bold. So in this particular one, I'll change the color to black. Yeah. So I will click OK. I will arrange it very well. Okay, so we Ctrl Z. Arrange it very well like this. So one thing I want to do here is I will just make this bold like this. So you can see it should be fitting very well. I will put it here like this. I'll hold my shift to align it very well, which is fine for me. The next step is to bring And the next step is to draw a rectangle. Yeah, I'll just draw a rectangle like this. You can see it's just arrange this very well. So one thing I want to do here is I'll just hold my Alt. You can see I hold my Alt to duplicate. Yeah. The next step, so I want to use, I'm not using this color. I'll click on my field. I'll click on this color here. Let me show you the color code. The color code is FFC234. So I click OK. So I'll just put this rectangle behind this purple. So I'll just set it like this. So I'll click on the boats, align it on the boats. So I'll just arrange this very well. So I can click on the yellow area. So I'll just move it down a little bit, which is fine. The next step in this one is I will just edit some of my resources. I will bring this image. Yeah, you can see it. You can see it is already disturbing the text that we first create. One thing I will just do is I will align. I'll click on these two like this. I will just bring this. Sorry, Ctrl Z. I'll click on the text. So I'll just align it very well. You can see it. The next thing we can do here is I will click on the two rectangle. I'll bring it down a little bit. I'll bring it down a little bit. So I can set it very well like this, which is good for me. So I can align it, the text very well. With Ctrl Z. Align it very well, which is fine for me. One thing I'll bring it down a little bit, which is good. So the next step is to head into our resources again. Let's bring this dots, which is I'll put it here like this. So I will just click OK like this. I will just put the dots here. That's it. Can see it. I'll click OK again. So I will head into our text. We click on the text. I'll change this to white. Yeah. I'll change this to white color. I'll click OK. So before we write our text, I'll just go out to our notes, which is the text. I'll copy this text like this. I'll copy it. So I can click on my text like this. Don't worry, you can reduce it. First of all, let's paste it. Ctrl V to paste. So Ctrl A to align it. So reduce the size, the unit size. So let's use 8. I'll click OK. So I'll zoom in very well to see what I'm doing. I'll just set it very well. I can reduce it a little bit. Just fit it. Which is good for me. So I'll zoom out again. Next step is to bring this head into our resources again. I'll bring this particular gold star. I'll drop it here like this. I'll just reduce it. I'll put it here. You can see it. I'll just put it here like this, which is fine for me. So now see, one thing I want to do here is, let me zoom out. I just want to arrange all the tests, all the resources that we already put in this particular project. I'll arrange it very well. I'll arrange it very well like this. So I can bring this down a little bit. I can press Ctrl A to highlight everything. So Control D to deselect. So the next step is to edit our this. Let me bring this my undo, which is the Control C to copy, Control V to paste. I'll press Control T to transform, so I can put it at the edge like this. Okay, which is good for me. So the last thing in this one is to move out to our rectangle again. You can change this color. Let's first use the yellow, which is the, I'll just put it here like this. Let me zoom in to see what I'm doing. Let me zoom in, see what I'm doing here. So basically, I'll just duplicate it like this. I'll hold my Alt to duplicate. So I can change this color. I'll change this to white. You can see it. I'll change this to white. You can see it. So the next step is to edit this guy. I'll just copy this social media on my social media. I'll copy Control C to copy. So edit our project, Control V to paste. I'll press Control T to transform again. So I can arrange it very well. Put it here like this. I'll click OK. You can see it, which is fine for me. So the next step is to group. You can see if you hold your control, you want to group all this. I'll press Ctrl G to group it. So I'll press Ctrl A to align it. So it should be aligned with this. Ctrl D to deselect. So this is fine for me. So these are ship this social media flyer and Photoshops. Like the video, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorial, turn on the notification bell, and share with your fellow designers. Thank you very much. Peace out.